Hello, today I'm going to show you how to design an asymmetric tail like this one. For example, so let's start with a classic fish design. I can first remove the swallowtail. Okay, and now I go to the size and properties window and I uncheck the box symmetric right left. Okay, so now I see I have control points on the outline curve on both sides, and now I can, for example, get the tail on one side and it won't modify the other side. Okay, and you see that the cross section, the slices, are also asymmetrical. But so what if, for example, let's insert a point here and break this down here. Now I can see that the tail slice is not quite like we would like to, because the center is still at y equals 0. So what we need to do is, in the top view, go to stringer bot R, which is the right side, the new side we did, and edit the curve. Note that you must not do it with the other side of the stringer, because if you edit this one, that's used for designing swallowtails or bevel nose. So make sure you select the stringer bot R and then click edited. Okay, it asks you, like, do you really want to design a bend stringer? You press OK, and now you see you have control point here on the center curve that I can bring here in the middle of the tail, and possibly delete this point. And so now here, when I look at the tail slice, it's correct, and you can check the shape all along the board and you have your asymmetrical shape. So that's it. That's as simple as this. Maybe we could also check how we can use this asymmetrical feature to design like fins. So you can already design fins using a symmetrical board like this one. Just use the outline to design the front of the fin and the side view to design the sides, and this way you can design symmetrical fins. But if you want to design asymmetrical fins like thruster fins, you need to use the asymmetrical function. So like this file, for example. So it's designed like just like I did for the asymmetrical fish, and I use the slices to make the profile of the fins like this. So the fin is flat on one side and curved on the other one. And you can also use this asymmetrical function to design foil wings like this one. Maybe I can show you how to do this from scratch. It's quite easy. So let's start with the new model. Okay, and I set it nose tail symmetrical and asymmetrical left right. Okay, now I can delete the fin plugs and the leash plugs Okay. I can maybe delay this slice for now. Okay. I design this size of the wing. Now the other side. Up. Can give it the shape you want, but as we did for the fish, you need to make sure that the stringer curve, the center curve, is bent. So go to top view, stringer bot R, edited, okay, and then I make it bent just like this, and you can move it the way you want. Okay, now let's design the center slice. So maybe I don't need these points, so I delete them. Here I can make it with an angle. Up. I don't need this point either. And here we go. We have a profile. Now I can copy this slice and paste it at the end. If you want your file really symmetrical, you need to make sure that you choose in the preferences the option apply no tail symmetry to slices. Okay, then each time you do a modification on one side, you'll get the same on the other side. Like for example, make it this, and now if I check this slice here, it's identical. Let's remove this stringer, maybe change the lines. Okay, so you have pretty much your foil. Now you can modify the profile curve. Like this. And here you have your wing foil. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for listening. Bye.